Nope, stay there. What was that, dude?
Can I park?
Huh?
Can I park?
Park? Yes, please put your car in park. You have your license on you?
Yes, please.
Where's your license at? You have any weapons in the car? Anything I should know about? Any weapons in the car? Guns or knives or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay, I gotta ask.
A driver is pulled over for a traffic violation. The officer says, "You are not under arrest," then orders him into the locked back seat of a patrol car. The driver refuses. He is arrested. The question is not whether he resisted. The question is, was the order itself legal?
No.
Okay.
No.
Appreciate it. You got your license insurance on you? Or your insurance registration?
Rental car.
You have your rental agreement on you?
Agreement?
Your rental agreement?
Yes.
Where's that at?
It's like in my...
You see it? I'm gonna have you step out real quick too, okay? Come on, hop out for me. You're not under arrest. I'm just gonna have you come back with me, okay? All right. Go ahead and come on out.
Oh, you need to go out?
I need you to step out.
Oh.
We'll come back to my car real quick, all right? So you don't have any weapons on you or anything like that, right?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to pat you down real quick before you get in the back seat of my car. You just want to put your hands up on the bar right here for me? Appreciate it.
I was in charge.
All right, come on over here.
I was in charge, sir.
You were in charge?
No, I was in church, so I go to bring some people. I'm Christian.
Okay.
I'm
Is there any reason for the speed and the aggressive driving maneuver you made?
No, I'm not driving like the high speed. Just I was past like some.
You aggressively passed somebody in a no passing zone.
I passed somebody. Yes. That's why.
But that was a no passing zone. Does that make sense? You can't pass there.
Oh, here. I'm
no,
so sorry.
it's a double solid line. You can't
I'm so
pass.
sorry for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, step back here for me. Hop back here for me. You're not under arrest. I'm just putting you in my back seat, okay?
So what happened?
I'm gonna have you step in my back seat real quick, okay? I'm just detaining you for the traffic stop. So come on back here for me, okay?
No, let me ask
you. Get in
you.
my back seat. Come on. We'll talk. We're gonna talk through the window. You're not under arrest, okay?
So why you?
Come on. Get in the back seat, man.
No, I'm not going somewhere.
Hey.
No. I'm not going somewhere.
Stop.
No, I'm not going somewhere.
No. 21. Start me a second unit. It's non-compliant.
No, I'm going somewhere.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No, just I ask. Let me take my. No, let me. Okay.
Turn around.
No,
put your hands behind your back.
Let me take my.
No.
Let me take my document.
No.
My
Put
document.
your hands behind your back.
No, my document. Don't worry.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, let me take my document. Just take me like that.
No,
my document, please.
Stay here.
I'm not going somewhere.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not going somewhere.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I say I'm not going somewhere. I'm not.
It's not violent. Just not.
No, let me take my document.
No,
it's not just license.
No.
Let me take my document.
No.
I'm not leaving my document.
No. Come on.
No, I'm not leaving my document.
Hey.
No, I'm not going.
Get on the ground.
No, I'm not going.
Get on the ground.
No, I'm not going somewhere.
Dude.
No.
Hey.
No.
I'm gonna tase you, dude.
No.
Get down. Get on the ground.
I take it.
Get on the ground.
Let me take my document.
No. Get on the ground.
Let me take my
Get
document.
on the ground.
Look at it.
Get over here.
Let me take my
No, get over here.
My document.
Dude.
No. Let me take my document.
No.
Let me take my document.
Get out of the car.
No. How can you? No.
Get your hand out of the car.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Get your hand out of the car.
Look at it. No, do that.
Get on the ground.
No, you make Rico. Let me take my document. No. You make Rico. No.
Come on, you have to step it up.
Let me take my document.
Come on.
No, let me take my document.
Stay here.
Let me take. No. So let me take my document. Please.
Get back.
Let me take my document.
No.
Okay, take my document. Give me my wallet.
No.
Why?
Because I'm telling you no.
Why?
I already gave you multiple commands to get in the back seat of my car
why?
and put your hands behind your back because you have to comply with law enforcement.
You say I'm speeding, so it's okay. When you give me ticket, it's okay. I have a document. So why are you taking me?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm asking. Why are you taking me out?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, it's illegal.
It's not illegal.
Oui. Diana mumuandu kuikanisha. Yes,
I got people coming.
Come on, help, please. Yeah. Why?
No, you're staying here.
No, you make it illegal.
You're not going anywhere.
No, this is illegal. I'm not going somewhere. I'm not
staying
leaving
right
my
here.
car. I'm not leaving my car. Just I say, I need to take my wallet. We have some document. No. Why you taking me my wallet? Hey. Come on, wanna speed is? None kara za kumfata gusa muje mu modoka. No. Give your location. I'm not going somewhere. I'm not leaving.
You're going to jail now.
Why?
Because you're resisting.
Resisting? Why? No, I'm not resisting. Just I told you let me take my wallet because I have.
No.
I'm not going
That's
somewhere.
not how this works.
No.
You're not in charge here.
Huh?
You're being pulled over.
No,
you're not in charge.
Why are you taking me? I told you let me take my document. I'm not.
No, you need to comply with law enforcement.
No, I'm not forced.
Yes.
I'm not forced. Never force. Never force you. Never force you.
We're good. Just keep you in.
Never force you. Never force you. Just you take me like this one, I know. Yeah. Huh?
Put your hands out of your pockets.
No, I'm not. Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, you forcing me.
Put your hands behind your back. Just like I've asked you multiple times.
Listen to
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen to it.
Listen to me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Behind your back.
Okay, listen to
Thank
me.
you. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me tell you.
Put your hand behind your back.
Yes.
Put your hand behind your back.
So why?
Put your hands behind your back, dude.
Listen to the deputy.
Let
Come
me
on.
take my.
Listen.
No.
Going in the car. Going in the car.
Sir?
All right.
Listen to me.
Yeah, okay, I'm
Listen to
listening.
me, sir.
Okay.
I say,
Tell me.
we have my document there in my car. I need to take my document.
We'll check it
Yes,
out.
my wallet.
You need to listen.
I don't have anything.
You need
I'm
to
Christian,
listen.
I'm a pastor. So why are you taking me like that? Like
I
illegal?
don't know, but he has a reason to. Okay?
Why you taking my key?
Well, because you're under arrest right now.
Listen, I do what?
What's that?
I do what?
I don't know, sir. I'm here to help.
Hey, sir, come on.
Stay in your car.
Yeah, sir,
Stay
we're
over
not.
there.
Yes, come on, please.
Stay in your car.
You stay there. We'll help
Sir,
out. We'll
look on
try to
photo,
figure
sir.
it out.
Step in the back
One
seat.
last 2 days.
Head on in. Head on in.
Yes. Sir,
But get
let me ask
inside
you
the car, dude.
you respect like it's my.
Get in the car or we're going to make you get in the
Yes,
car.
you respect my person. I told you let me take my wallet. When I say I speeding.
21 units
sir,
to
but
slow
we're
down.
asking you to do this.
Yes, he say I'm
If we're
speeding.
telling you to do this,
Yes.
then we're going to make you do it.
Yes,
We
Get
don't
in the
want-
car.
I'm not making any force.
Please stop resisting.
I'm not listening.
Please. Yes, you are.
Yes, no,
Please.
please, I swear God.
Please,
I'm
yes.
not doing
Sit in
anything.
the car.
Let me tell you.
Sit in the car.
You're gonna listen to me? Can you listen to me,
When
please?
you get in the car, we will. Yes.
No, can you listen to me, please? Can I say? This is my look at my insurance is my. My license is there.
We'll figure it out.
My
You're not okay. We standing
Yes,
here is taking longer.
yeah, yes.
If you want to stand there all day, that's not going to happen.
No,
we'll go to
I
the
want
other
to
side real
charge you, please.
Okay, we're just gonna pull you in the car because you don't want to get in.
No.
Yep. Okay, so now you want to get in.
Thank you.
Can I say?
Hold on.
Can I?
Good Lord. Thank you.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Two Johnson officers and another deputy here, so if anyone's coming, we don't need them.
Stopped him because
Hey, here, hang on. So you got interference with that. Stop him for what?
I stopped him because he passes somebody in the no passing zone. Like super aggressive pass. Flip around on him, he immediately pulls over. Oh yeah, thank you.
Anything else you drop? Or?
No, I put this in the ground because that's when I told him to get in the back of my car, and he was refusing.
Yeah, before you went.
Not that I know of.
You probably didn't even see
I like that
one,
little
did you?
pouch thing you have.
It's nice. Just
Yeah, I
dump
was
it down,
like,
throw all
what?
your
What is
crap
he
in there.
doing? And I'm like,
Yeah.
that thing's cool.
Nothing else in?
No, I don't think so.
Where did the
All right. I'm gonna get a case in real quick.
All right, thanks. Hey, Sarge. So I stopped this guy, passing in no passing zone right here. Super aggressive pass. I flip out and around on him on 52nd. He stops right away. I pull him out of the car.
This plate.
Yeah, this one right here. I asked him to get out of the car just because possible intox. I don't know what he's got going on. Just weird driving behavior. He complies. We walk back. And I'm like, hey, I'm just going to put you in the back seat of my car. We're just going to hang out with me. You're not under arrest, anything like that. And he's like, no, I'm not getting in the back of your car. I'm not going to do that for you. I'm like, well, I'm telling you to get back there. You need to get back there. And then he's trying to pull away from me. He says he wants to go back to the car to grab documents. I'm telling him no. I go to put handcuffs on him, and then he runs up to the front of his car and is reaching in the driver's seat to grab it. So I grab his other, well, I had him at taser point in front of the car.
I don't think you need me.
He ran around the other side, put my taser back, grabbed his arm to pull it out of the driver's seat. And then that's where I got him off the car. I just pushed him back by his chest, and I held him here until Des Moines got here.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. He said he was trying to pull his wallet out of his car. I haven't looked in there yet. I asked him if he had any weapons, and he laughed. He's like, "Oh no, I don't have it."
Okay.
So I searched him since he's under arrest for interference, and I didn't find anything on his person. So
Okay. I'll do an inventory work.
yeah. All right.
What's his name? Do we know?
Frank. I think he wants to talk to you. If you want to.
Okay.
I'll open the window for you. You need anything at all from me?
no.
You're good to get out of here if you want to.
Yeah, no, I was sitting here and I was like, yeah, I just have like 2 more sentences in my report. So I was like,
Fair
I'll
enough.
just sit here.
Well, thanks for coming out. I appreciate it.
No, I was close. Yeah, it came out. I'm like, wait, what? Oh, shit.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop is a seizure. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1968 authorizes a brief investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Berkemer v. McCarty 468 U.S. 420 1984 confirms that traffic stops are Terry-style detentions, limited in scope and duration to the purpose that justified the stop. Pennsylvania v. Mims 434 U.S. 106 1977 permits an officer to order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course, requiring no additional suspicion. That authority is well established, but Mims goes no further. It does not authorize placing a non-arrested subject inside a locked law enforcement vehicle. This is where the de facto arrest doctrine applies. Multiple federal circuits have held that confinement in a locked patrol vehicle from which the subject cannot exit without officer assistance, elevates the detention to the level of a formal arrest. A formal arrest requires probable cause under the Fourth Amendment, not merely reasonable suspicion. On this record, no probable cause existed at the time of the backseat order. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S., 429, 1991, established the controlling test. For an encounter to remain a consensual detention, a reasonable person must feel free to terminate it. A person sitting in the locked rear compartment of a patrol car does not meet that standard. Telling someone they are not under arrest does not change the physical reality of the confinement. The arrest charge was interference with official acts. For that charge to succeed, the act being interfered with must itself be a lawful official act. This is the foundational rule. A person cannot be criminally liable for refusing an unlawful order. If the backseat placement lacked legal authority, the interference charge has no valid predicate and cannot stand. On the use of force, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1989 applies. The standard is objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, judged at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. A taser was drawn. It was not deployed. Force analysis begins and ends there, separate from the question of the order that created the confrontation. United States v. Sharp, 470 U.S., 675, 1985, requires that a lawful detention last no longer than necessary to effectuate the purpose of the stop. When an extended roadside confrontation results from a disputed order rather than independent criminal investigation, courts examine whether the duration and degree of the detention exceeded Fourth Amendment limits. The practical lesson for law enforcement is precise. The authority to stop a vehicle and the authority to confine a person are two distinct legal standards. Probable cause cannot be substituted by an instruction that begins with the phrase, "You are not under arrest." The constitutional threshold is determined by the nature of the restraint, not by the words accompanying it. The interference charge was filed. The legal question before any reviewing court is foundational. If the order to enter the patrol vehicle was not authorized by law, did a crime occur at all? Can lawful resistance to an unlawful order be prosecuted as interference with official acts? That is the question courts will have to answer, and the answer will matter far beyond this case.
This is property, right? Yep. I got a citation I got to put with this stuff as well. Hey, Frank. I got to snap pictures of you for a little tussle we got in on the side of the road, okay? Just in case any injuries show up or anything like that. Do you feel like you're hurt anywhere?
Yeah.
Where at?
Here.
Right there? You feel like it's just like a bruise, or you feel like you're cut?
I think it's like you who pushed me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You just want to hold your hands out like this for me, okay? Hold them closer here for me. Like that. There you go. Perfect. Now flip them like this. So you said it hurts right here? Yeah. Can you pull that sleeve up for me? Okay. Do you have pain anywhere else in your body, anything like that?
That's pain.
Just right there. Okay. And I'm going to get a picture of your face and then the sides of your face, okay? Can you turn for me? You got any questions for me at all, Frank?
Yeah, my question is that that vehicle, what is that vehicle?
I'll print off a sheet with all the information for the tow company and it'll go with your property, okay? So have their phone number and their address where your car went.
So why are we taking the insurance for my insurance, then I make like more trouble to make more money, and I have my brother, we renting car when we was together.
I'm not going to argue with that, with you here about that,
yes,
okay?
I asked you.
So your vehicle got impounded. I mean, that's said and final. We're not going to argue, okay?
So the key vehicle is there?
What was that?
The key vehicle.
The key to the vehicle will be with the vehicle, okay?